Title: A Taste of Tradition, General Tso's Chicken, Introduction and Preparation Steps. Introduction. General Tso's Chicken is a popular Chinese-American dish that has captivated taste buds around the world. This flavorful creation features tender pieces of chicken coated in a crispy batter and tossed in a sweet, tangy, and slightly spicy sauce. While the dish's origins are often debated, its irresistible taste has made it a staple in Chinese restaurants and takeout menus. In this article, we will delve into the history of General Tso's Chicken and provide a comprehensive guide to preparing this delectable dish at home. The history of General Tso's Chicken. General Tso's Chicken is named after General Tso Chicken, a Qing dynasty military leader. However, the dish itself was likely invented in the 20th century by Chinese chefs in Taiwan or the United States. It gained widespread popularity in the U.S. during the 1970s and has since become a beloved Chinese-American classic. 2 ingredients. For the chicken marinade: 1 pound, 450 grams, of boneless, skinless chicken thighs or breasts, cut into 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters, cubes. 1/4 cup, 60 milliliters, of low-sodium soy sauce. 1 egg, beaten. 1/4 cup, 30 grams, of cornstarch. For the batter: ½ cup, 70 grams, of all-purpose flour. ½ cup, 70 grams, of cornstarch. ½ teaspoon, 3 grams, of baking powder. 1/4 cup, 60 milliliters, of cold water. Vegetable oil, for frying. For the sauce: ½ cup, 120 milliliters, of low-sodium chicken broth. 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters, of hoisin sauce. 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters, of low-sodium soy sauce. 2 tablespoons, 25 grams, of sugar. 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, of rice vinegar. 2 teaspoons, 10 milliliters, of cornstarch, mixed with 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, of water. ½ teaspoon, 1 gram, of red pepper flakes, optional. For the stir-fry: 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters, of vegetable oil. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 1/4 cup, 40 grams, of diced green onions. ½ cup, 75 grams, of diced bell peppers, optional. 1 teaspoon, 2 grams, of dried red chili peppers, optional. 1 tablespoon, 10 grams, of toasted sesame seeds, optional. 3 preparation steps. Marinate the chicken. In a large mixing bowl, combine the chicken pieces with soy sauce, beaten egg, and cornstarch. Mix well to ensure the chicken is evenly coated. Cover the bowl and let the chicken marinate in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Prepare the batter. In a separate bowl, whisk together the all-purpose flour, cornstarch, baking powder, and cold water to create a smooth batter. Coat the chicken. Remove the marinated chicken from the refrigerator and dip each piece in the batter, making sure each cube is fully coated. Heat the oil. In a deep frying pan or wok, heat the vegetable oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for deep frying. The oil should be about 2 inches, 5 centimeters, deep. Fry the chicken. Carefully lower the battered chicken pieces into the hot oil and fry them for 3 to 4 minutes, or until they turn golden brown and crispy. Use a slotted spoon to remove the cooked chicken from the oil and place them on a paper towel-lined plate to drain any excess oil. Repeat this process until all the chicken pieces are fried. Prepare the sauce. In a small saucepan, Combine the chicken broth, hoisin sauce, soy sauce, sugar, and rice vinegar. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, stirring occasionally. If you prefer a spicier dish, add red pepper flakes to the sauce. Thicken the sauce, slowly whisk in the cornstarch water mixture and continue to cook the sauce, stirring frequently, until it thickens to your desired consistency. Remove the saucepan from the heat and set aside. Stir-fry the aromatics. In a separate frying pan or wok, heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil over medium-high heat. Add the minced garlic, dried red chili peppers, if using, and diced green onions, and stir-fry for about 1 minute, or until fragrant. Add the bell peppers, optional. If you choose to include bell peppers, stir them into the pan and cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, or until they are slightly softened. Combine the chicken and sauce, add the fried chicken to the pan with the aromatics and pour the sauce over the top. Toss everything together to ensure the chicken is evenly coated in the sauce. Garnish, sprinkle toasted sesame seeds over the dish for added texture and flavor, optional. Serve, remove the pan from the heat, and transfer the General Tso's chicken to a serving platter. Serve immediately with steamed rice or noodles. 4 tips and variations. For a healthier alternative, try oven baking or air frying the battered chicken instead of deep frying. Adjust the level of spiciness by increasing or decreasing the amount of red pepper flakes or dried red chili peppers used in the recipe. Customize the sauce by adding more or less sugar, vinegar, or soy sauce to suit your personal taste preferences. Add other vegetables like broccoli, zucchini, or snow peas to create a more colorful and nutritious dish. Conclusion. General Tso's chicken is a beloved Chinese-American dish that brings together a symphony of flavors and textures. By following this step-by-step guide, you can recreate this iconic recipe in the comfort of your own home, impressing your family and friends with your culinary skills.